Hello, thank you so much for not skipping over this video. I promise it will be a short one. So today's assignment is going to be one step, and after this video what you're going to do is you're going to click to the next slide and you're going to find a link. That link will take you to what I'm calling a check for understanding and reflection. So it's a two-part assignment. The first is a check for understanding. In the check for understanding part of the assignment, you're going to find 5 multiple choice questions. These questions are going to ask you about concepts that we've been covering in science so far. So that could be states of matter, could be phase changes, could be increases or decreases in energy, but there's only 5 and they're all multiple choice. The questions are a little bit long, a little wordy, so please make sure that you take your time, you make sure that you read every word so that way you understand what the question is asking. If giant questions tend to freak you out a little bit, don't get nervous about this. If you start to feel like you're overwhelmed, you just want to skip over the questions, you don't want to actually read them, take a deep breath, take a walk around the room, come back, and try your absolute best. This is a graded assignment, but it's not going to be 100 points. Okay, this assignment is only worth 10 points. It's not going to be weighed more than other assignments. So I want you to just think about it as like a normal assignment where Mrs. Harrell just wants to know how much you know. The check for understanding part of the assignment will help me figure out if everyone is ready to move on to chapter 3. So we've already finished chapter 1 and chapter 2 of this unit, and next we're getting ready to move on to chapter 3. So it's important that I know if everybody understands everything or if there's 1 or 2 concepts that we need a little bit more practice with. After you finish those 5 multiple choice questions, there's going to be 3 written response questions, but these are all reflection questions. The reflection questions are going to ask you about your time in science so far, what you've learned, what you think you might need more practice with. So those don't have a right answer. Instead, I want an honest answer. I want you to tell me the truth about how you're feeling about science. I want you to tell me if there's anything that I can do to make science easier or more successful for you. So after you finish those 5 multiple choice questions and the 3 written response questions, and you've taken your time and you did your absolute best, make sure you turn in that assignment, and after that you are done with science for the day. Thank you so much for just being so amazing. It's crazy to me that we're already halfway through quarter 1. Of course, please reach out if you have questions or comments or concerns or you just want to chat, and I will see you around.